brother.
Right now.
Yes.
Okay, who can speak? And that's what we'll get up.
Okay, who's that Kubantu? What's your name?
Hello everyone. How are you? My name is Mr. Masaka. God's good. God's good. Thank you for voting Masaka is Afrikana.
Whoa!
Yeah, man. Thank you very much.
Ah, yeah. Who's to come and present this award? This award.
DJ
Let's see from us. DJ give us that tune. Let's be free and prayer. The award, first you read us the category.
Please, yeah, in the High School Awards, Talent Awards 2020, the award goes to Feliz Tadis.
Sends my kids to school and puts food in my car and all that. So basically, I did it with all passion and all that.
How many albums do you have to your career so far?
I have 13 albums in my career.
What? Without any songs?
Okay, we started those years when it was analog, yeah? When we used to do tapes.
Yeah.
Actually, I have 3 albums in tapes.
In tapes?
Yeah.
3 albums?
3 albums. I had, 3 albums in tapes. And then like there now, 2010, I made my platinum album. That was with the Shoko, and that blew me out. Then from there, I started scooping awards. From there, I was the best artist 2010 until 2019 last year. I've always been the one taking those awards because I work a lot and it's everything I do. Understand like so. Basically,
have you on your label have some artists that you're coming along with?
They should also keep working hard. Nothing comes with a silver plate. Let them keep working. Let them believe in the process. God is seeing everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where can the new fans that are joining you today find you on social media?
SilverX on Instagram, SilverX on Facebook page, SilverX on Twitter, SilverX on YouTube, SilverX on Wikipedia, everything like just Google SilverX and find everything there. If you find it difficult to Google, just say SilverX Sudan. You'll find every single little you want to know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you planning on doing any songs with any Ugandan giant?
I've done a lot of songs with Ugandan legends, but ever since the late Muzeri died, he was my biggest artist. Like I loved him a lot, and we did a song. My last song with them was 1 in a million, and was a big jam, and I still have.
So 2021 projects, any new projects?
Yes. I just dropped an album actually in November. It's called Title Teach the World, and I'm working on my new album, working on a lot of videos, like about 7 videos in the studio.